they've already jumped one egg.
So we're on West Beach right now. We've got this turtle nest that we have to move, and so we're gonna dig it up, put all the eggs in the crate, and then we're gonna move it to a new spot, and that's to hopefully keep the crabs away. So Ange is digging a hole with the shovel, gets it about, he says the turtle's looking for the hard stuff to start to lay their eggs, and so they can go down as deep as a meter. So once you hit the hard stuff for the sand, then you're gonna dig by hand and hopefully not damage any of the eggs. And when we find the nest, and then we'll get the eggs together and move them to a safer location. So he's found some crabs down there, which is a good sign that there's eggs down there, but not a good sign for the eggs themselves.
You see, they've already jumped one egg.
Oh yeah.
So it must be
There you go. So the nest is here, and the crabs have had a bit of a feast.
There it is.
All right, there it is. We found the edge of the nest. And oh, so the crabs didn't get them all. So that's a good sign.
Already jumped. Jumped by the crabs already. Okay.
All the eggs are not in good shape right now. They've all been damaged by the crabs, so pulled out about 6 or 7, and there should be around 100 eggs, so hopefully there'll be some that actually we can transplant.
Put some sand in there. What you'll do, you'll mark always mark on top of the eggs. You mark on top of the egg, and when you take it out, try and keep it in the same position, and you place them in the tree.
We marked it with a marker pen. Right?
Yeah, with a marker pen on top.
Forensic. Yeah, no, this isn't going to go on very well. Our ones at work slip on really easy.
I think it would be better if you take the marker pen and put dots on top of all of them. You can mark 5 or 6 there.
So you mark the eggs to orient them in the same position, so when they go in the nest, up is still up. Just gonna collect them in this crate, and then we'll go plant them over there, and hopefully it'll be a success in 2 months from now.
You got energy? Bring some. Okay.
Now we're just gonna
from here.
put them back in the hole. And then we'll be good to go. We put 94 eggs in there, and now they'll get covered up, and in 2 months hopefully a bunch of baby turtles will crawl.